Today we're tackling an important topic: how to stop and prevent DDoS attacks. Distributed denial of service attacks can cripple your network and services, but with the right strategies, you can protect yourself and your business. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get into how to stop DDoS attacks and prevent them from affecting your operations. We'll cover several effective methods to safeguard your network and ensure you stay online even when you're under attack. First, it's important to understand what a DDoS attack is. In a distributed denial of service attack, multiple compromised systems flood a target server with the traffic, overwhelming it and causing it to become unresponsive. One of the most effective ways to protect against DDoS attack is by using a dedicated DDoS protection service. Services like Cloudflare, Akamai, and AWS Shield offer advanced protection and can observe or mitigate attack traffic before it reaches your network. Sign up for one of these services and configure it to work with your network. Another helpful tool is a content delivery network. CDN. CDNs like Cloudflare and Akamai distribute your website's content across multiple servers worldwide. This helps to distribute incoming traffic and reduce the impact of a DDoS attack by balancing the load across different servers. Next, you can ensure your network security and firewall settings are optimized to detect and block suspicious traffic. Configure your firewall to filter out traffic from known malicious IP addresses and set up rate limiting to prevent excessive traffic from overwhelming your network. Intrusion detection and prevention systems (IDPS) can help monitor and respond to potential threats in real time. These systems can identify unusual traffic patterns and automatically take action to mitigate potential DDoS attacks. Regularly update your software and systems to patch vulnerabilities that can be exploited during a DDoS attack. Ensure all network devices, servers, and applications have the latest security updates and patches installed. Lastly, educate your team about the signs of a DDoS attack and the steps to take if an attack occurs. Proper training ensures everyone knows how to respond quickly and effectively. And that's it. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of a DDoS attacks and protect your network.